We're still in the first part of winter here, but I can't help but think forward to spring. I never did get to show you this video, and it's just me pushing something around on the lawn again. But it was such a beautiful spring day when I shot it that I thought maybe you'd enjoy taking a look back at it with me now that it's winter and lots of us are stuck in the house waiting for another spring to come. The lawn didn't look very good at the time. I had just overseeded the lawn 6 days prior because of the snow mold damage. The new perennial ryegrass seed is just beginning to germinate, and the existing Kentucky Bluegrass is just beginning to regrow from the crown and roots. I need to send the reel for this mower in for service sometime over the winter. It was making quite a bit of noise by the end of the season. I just send it UPS to the dealer, and they do the service and ship it back in just a few days. The whole process only takes about a week or so. I'm not sure what the new year will bring. Hopefully not another round of snow mold again, but every year seems to bring a new set of challenges. It will be fun if some new varieties of Kentucky Bluegrass become available for me to try. I'll keep checking the seed sellers for something new. I still have parts of my lawn to renovate, and I'm looking forward to seeing how the Blue Bank and Mazama do this summer. I also have the results of my late fall fertilizer and fall dormant seeding experiments to look forward to. I'm thinking about mowing my entire back lawn lower this year because most of it has now been renovated with new lower growing varieties of Kentucky Bluegrass. I'm thinking about mowing it at 2 inches, but I'll have to be careful cutting it with my big mower. Large rotary mowers tend to scalp on even parts of the lawn. I'll just have to give it a try and see how it does. If I start with the first cut of the season, the lawn won't even need to go through a period of adjustment to the new height of cut. It'll be fun for me to see if I can get a shorter and cleaner cut while encouraging the grass to thicken up more. I'll need to cut it more often, but that shouldn't be difficult for me to do with my commercial mower. I'm hoping that I can keep the mowing down to every 5 days or so. Any more often than that may be more than I care to mow. I'll continue to cut the front lawn here to 1 1/4 inches every 3 days. You can probably tell that there's a limit to how often I want to mow. I love the look of short grass, but there's a price to pay to keep it that way. What are you thinking about doing differently next year? Post a comment below and maybe we can provide each other with some fun ideas to consider for the next lawn care season. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell next to it so you don't miss any new videos. And remember, you can do it.